Hello everybody, this is the future site of Pure Mind Retreats here in Escamaquita, Nicaragua, very near the surf capital of San Juan del Sur. This is about an acre or so that we're going to develop with permaculture techniques, and then have a series of workshops for natural building, and then people can come here to study permaculture, natural building, and eventually we'll have some meditation retreats, yoga, nutritional retreats, all kinds of healthy living retreats and studies of sustainable living. So this is in Escamaquita, Nicaragua, which is just south of San Juan del Sur, Nicaragua. It's a beautiful area with a lot of nature. And the first thing we needed to do was create an entrance to the property from the main road. And there's a low area that we needed to fill in and actually build a concrete wall with piping, the plastic tubes for future drainage because the heavy rainfall in the rainy season. Hi, this is a momentous day at Pure Mind Retreats. We're breaking ground on our first swale. There we are. That's going to be capturing all the rainwater and holding it in the ground here. The next major project was to install a water tower and a 300-gallon water tank, and had some local Nicaraguan guys install it, and we connected it to a water well, and they welded together a super strong steel structure. And here's the electrician in the well installing the water pump. And installed PVC pipe that ran from the water pump to the water tower. And it came out really well. A lot of water pressure dropping from that height. I almost forgot to take a video of this next stage. There's a valve there. There's a valve there for bringing water to the house, which is going to be over there. And then this part goes straight to a faucet, which works. Agua es la vida. So today we're spreading straw on one side of the swale to control the weeds and to help the growth of soil. You can hear the howler monkeys in the background. These are the bales of straw we have. Actually, this is hay. This is for feeding cattle. Hopefully the cattle and horses around here don't notice and come eat it. Here we are putting down a layer of straw, keep back the weeds and hold the humidity in the soil. Man, we have got a lot of work to do here. Now, once we had the swale and the straw and the water available, it's time for a trip to Catarina, Nicaragua, to buy a bunch of fruit trees and start our food forest. And just in time for the rainy season. And we got about 12 fruit trees of variety, including coconut, avocado, mango, mamey, níspero, guayaba.
Hello, here we are with another momentous day at Centro Educativo Suelo Sano, planting all the trees we just bought in anticipation of the rainy season that is just a couple of weeks away. Here we have, this is in front of the swale, we have a avocado tree here, a papaya, banano. I believe this is the melocoton, mamey. This is a níspero. Here's a plátano. This would be the mango. Here we have, what is this again? Yes. Membrillo, yeah, that's right. Quince, membrillo. And another níspero, one of my favorite fruits. And guayaba here. So this is the new plantings for our first swale and the beginnings of our huerta here at Centro Educativo Suelo Sano.
I need to take a moment to explain the difference between Pure Mind Retreats and Centro Suelo Sano. Pure Mind is just focusing on retreats, all kinds of healthy living and sustainable living projects, and no particular location. But the location in Escamaquita, we are dedicating to Centro Educativo Suelo Sano, which in English means Healthy Soil Education Center. And all the proceeds that we get from our sustainable living workshops are going towards the Suelo Sano Foundation to make a sustainable project beyond what Pure Mind Retreats has started here. Now I'd just like to share with you some of the beautiful images that I've collected in just the first couple of months here in Escamaquita. Beautiful animals and trees. It's really a rural paradise.
Hey guys, I think this is a really good time to show you the Hostel Las Lomas del Bosque here in Escamaquita, Nicaragua. It's just an 8-room hostel just in the middle of a little forest. There's like the kitchen and gathering area over there. Just now it's been sprinkling a little bit. So you can hear the pitter-patter of raindrops. Much cooler here than in San Juan. You can hear the howler monkeys in the distance. There's a little creek just to the side of the hostel. That's a uraka. And through those trees, other side of the creek, is the land for Pure Mind retreats and the permaculture project called the Centro Educativo Suelo Sano.
Ya los kikis que nacieron. Estos son los kikis que ahí tenemos la yuca y ahí van para acá igual. El limón está bien hermoso. Este es el naranjo que compraste, el naranjo injerto. Esta mata de vetiver está bien hermosa. Sacaste limón, vetiver, sacaste limón. Ahí va todo. Va creciendo todo.
One of the fun things that Suelo Sano has been able to do so far is have a watermelon harvest of about 50 watermelons that we shared with the local kids at the Barrio Planta project, which is a charitable group that gives supplementary education to the local Nicaraguan children. And we just had a day when they could come out and eat a bunch of our watermelons. And everybody had a really good time. And hopefully they saw some of the benefits of permaculture and creating a food forest.